Hey, Mandleking production. Yeah. Mandleking production. Hey, I have been on air. I have been on air. I have been on air. Yeah. I have been on air. I have been on air. Yeah. 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 When I first turned my eyes on you, I knew you were extraordinary. You the only one I can talk to for an hour and never get tired. With you, my love is true. With you, I can be my true self without fear of the judgment. Yeah, you are my soulmate, my confidence, my forever, my heaven on earth. I promise I'm never letting you go. Can I can't imagine the future without you. Yeah, I still remember the feeling when I get so first talk to you. Yeah, hey, I was so excited I don't even know how to tell you how much you mean to me. I'm so glad you are mine. Yeah, I love you more than anything in this world. Yeah, you are my heaven. And I can't believe I was able to find love and a soulmate at the same time. Yeah. Mandleking production, yeah, my heaven, my heaven, my heaven. Can you promise me that you will be my last? Yeah, I already promised myself I don't want to start over with a new person. Yeah, nobody knows like you do. Yeah, Mandleking production.